Today I'm gonna show you how to activate RealView Graphics and why it's disabled for some users. RealView Graphics uses your GPU to display realistic materials, reflections, and lighting directly in the viewport without rendering. Now, based on SolidWorks documentary, SolidWorks officially enables RealView only on certified professional GPUs like NVIDIA or AMD graphics cards. If your GPU is certified, enabling RealView is usually just one click. Open any part or assembly, and in the view settings, you can see an option here which is RealView Graphics, and you can activate it by clicking on it. Also, you can access it from the menu, View, Display, RealView Graphics. The problem is, for some users, this item is completely disabled or it is not even here at all. Before everything, make sure your graphics card driver and Windows drivers are fully up to date. After updating, restart your computer, run SolidWorks again, open a document, and check whether RealView Graphics is now available or not. In some cases, this step alone fixes the issue. However, if RealView is still disabled, even with the certified GPU and updated drivers, then SolidWorks might not be recognizing the driver or GPU configurations. In those situations, we need to make a little adjustment in the system registry. Now I disabled my RealView so we can activate it together. From the start, search for Registry Editor and open it. Now you should be looking at a window like this. The Registry Editor is actually a database where Windows and applications store configuration and hardware informations. Now expand H key current user and then go to Software, find SolidWorks, and expand Allowed list. In the Allowed list, you can tell SolidWorks that your graphic cards are permitted to use for advanced visual features. Now inside the Allowed list, click on Current, and on the right side you see a key called Render. This value represents the graphics card that SolidWorks is currently detecting. Now double click on the renderer and copy the entire value, just right click on it and select Copy. Now from the left side, expand GI to Shaders, and for the NVIDIA graphics cards, open NV4D, and for the AMD graphics cards, you need RV420. Expand it. Now right click on NV4D and create a new key, which is actually a new folder, and rename it with the value you copied earlier. Now right click on this window and create a new DWORD 32-bit value. And you need to rename it Workarounds with the uppercase W and then confirm it. Now if I open my SolidWorks, then a new document, and then go to Display Settings, the RealView Graphics is here and it is activated. But if it's still not here, you need to go to the Registry Editor, double click on Workaround, and change the value to one of these numbers. So let's start with 30008, confirm it. Now go to SolidWorks, open the document again, and check whether the RealView Graphics is available or not. Repeat this process until RealView becomes available. You can also confirm it from View, Display, and check it from here too. Just remember, only modify the values we discussed and don't change anything in the Registry Editor. If this video saved you time or frustration, give it a like and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Subscribe for more SolidWorks tips, tutorials, and workflow optimization from absolute beginners to professional levels. And as always, from one engineer to another, I'll see you in the next one.